Right guys, we've got the apprentices here.
Hello.
Cheers.
Yeah, we're on the way to do some work on the Celica. We're going to rub it back. We're going to put some paint on it while it's still warm. We're running out of warm weather. We've got to do it because spray paint does not like the cold weather. It's the end of April right now, and yeah, this is a flip series, and I'm not waiting till December till it warms up again to get this thing done. So we've got the day. It's a nice day. We've got the boys, so we're going to go do it. Roll the intro.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.
It's for getting it out like the rough the edge of the plane like those.
Yeah, once you get it down, you get. I think that's the goal. The monster is, as soon as you get the paper, I always grip, reverse it, but you couldn't even stick away.
Oh,
And it takes the extra scratches out of it.
Those clips in the bottom of that seat.
Right?
Those clips in the bottom of that, they pretty much go like that.
Yeah, I think they're called pig hooks or something.
Yeah. Best way to deal with them, I'll walk in your car.
Right?
I'll walk in your car.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, back seat's open.
I still have my watch star in the car.
I know.
You should have probably left that in the fridge. Son, should have probably put it in the fridge. Yeah, it'll be alright. I should really be wearing a mask while doing this.
Ah, you'll be fine.
I'm asthmatic.
Who needs lungs?
4 hours of sanding, and we barely scratched the surface. Pardon the pun. I'll keep coming back time and time and time until it's done. I ain't giving up. This thing's putting up one hell of a fight. Anyway. Oh dear. Back to day 2 then. Back at it. Day 2. 8 AM. Let's get to it. I'm an idiot. After an hour of sanding, I forgot to hit bloody record on the bloody camera. So, sort of managed to get done. Just got the lower half of the door to do. I promise you guys I won't forget to hit record again. We'll get this door done, then we'll move on. Things I do for you guys. Alright, day whatever, I think we're up to day 3. And I'm starting to realise why there's no such thing as a $2,000 paint job, because this is a pain in the arse. Well, let's take you through what we've done. It's been a couple of days. I've done some sanding off camera. We'll go through, I'll show you what we've done so far, eh? So far we've got the bonnet sanded, did that yesterday. Still got to do the guards, but got all the doors done. Got the rear quarters done. Got the back more or less done. I just have to give this a nice little scuff. I don't have to go overboard with that. The paint's bloody immaculate there, but anyway. Got this quarter done, and we got this door done here. We just got this panel, same on the other side, and the roof. So, nothing for it, I guess. Let's get to it. a lot done before the sander finally died, so we've got that on charge. But I'm going to plug in the plug-in one and start on the roof, I think. Oh, come on, you bloody thing.
Young broke and the silver one, they can't go stand that. There's just rock on them down
Well, after what seems like 3 million hours sanding, finally got the roof to a place where I'm reasonably happy with it. Still a few spots I can go over, but right now I'm going to go home, have a tub, get ready for some other things. But right now the car is looking pretty good. I've just got that panel there to do and a couple of spots over there to do, and then we can get it primed. Back with more. Day 3,486 of fucking sanding. Seriously, that's all I've been doing. I've lost count of where I'm at in days. I think we've gone 2 weeks right now. But right now, I've just spent the last 2 days wet sanding. Because yeah, we've done the primer, done the primer filler, a couple of coats of primer filler actually, and now we are at the wet standing stage, and I've just spent the last 2 days, me and a friend, last two days wet sanding it, and now she is glass. She is glass. She's ready for some paint. Sorry I didn't show you the priming stage. It completely forgot about it. But yeah, she's now ready for paint, and yeah, I won't be showing you the paint either, because one, I won't be here, and the painter I hired is going to pick the car up and take it elsewhere, and he doesn't want to be on camera. So I shall be back when she's got some paint on it. Okay.